Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that when you're just using normally your iPhone and you're just searching something on the Google Chrome, when using the Google Chrome and you may facing issues that this site cannot reach error in Google Chrome. So when you searching that something that website which you can facing the issue is this site cannot reach error in. So how you can resolve it? Just like that, I'm gonna search it. This site cannot reach. I'm gonna go to the images. I'm gonna show you how you may facing the issues just like that. This side cannot reach. You may facing an issue is like that. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix the issue. The first step is that you just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just simply just going to the general section and it's going to the software update and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just scroll it down, and that is the main setting you have to make sure to fix the issue. Just going to the transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After doing that, your all the network settings gonna reset, and after that, your problem gonna solve. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.